How to make money on Facebook with Clickbank affiliates products. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly that, and as you know guys, I'm always straightforward, straight to the point, cut the bullshit. So guys, before I begin this video, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, first things first, as you could see on the screen, this is Clickbank. All you have to do is click on marketplace. People who don't know what is Clickbank, it's a affiliate marketplace where you can find products, and then when you make a sale you get a commission. So depending, there are different kind of commission. So again, just sign up for Clickbank, just search on gravity, sort by gravity. So let's say I want to promote, for example, keto diet. Okay, so I want to promote this one. Okay, so let's go over here. So this is the keto diet. So now, rather than me just copy, okay, copy this link, okay, copy and go on Facebook. So rather than just going on a Facebook group, so let's say this one has 51k members, let's go on a public group. So rather than you just posting your links directly over here and start selling, you need to be smart. Okay, so you need to provide value. Okay, so I'm going to show you an easy trick where you could provide value as well as collect leads. So there are two things. So first thing is you can go to Instructables or you can go to WikiHow. So again, you can search about keto products. Okay, so you can just type keto over here. Even on WikiHow you can type keto. Okay, so something, so let's say we are selling about keto diet, so let's share something about keto. So let's say how to make a keto bread, or let's say about these keto recipes, or there are a lot of free PLRs about keto as well. For $1 to $2 you can get a book. You don't spend more than that. So if I go back and then let's say PLR, free PLR book, so I can just type keto, and you can find keto books as well. Okay, so once you find that book, so let's say for example I found this keto pancakes. Okay, so now what you have to do is, first thing is just download the PDF. Make sure the author is notified about, like, you're downloading, just to avoid copyrights. So guys, once I downloaded this PDF, so all I have to do is go on sajda.com, just upload the PDF. Okay, once the PDF is uploaded, so what you could do is you could add something over here. So let's say he showed you how to make a pancake recipe. Okay, so everything is done, and then at the end what you could do is, let's say, insert a page. Okay, you can just create something. So let's say for example, go back over here, get your custom keto diet plan. Okay, and then just make it like this, put in the center, make it bold. Okay, so once, just make sure everything is there, and then you can just to add an image over here on, get a snipping tool, just copy this image, paste the image over here, and then you can apply your link. So let's go back on my Clickbank account, let's say promote. Okay, copy this link, copy. Okay, come over here, click over here, we can add links over here. So just add links. So you can add your link. So let's say for the whole page I can add my link. Okay, then you can link to, so this would link to your Clickbank ID. This is linking again to my link. So once someone clicks over here, he will go on this page, and then once he buys it, I will get the sale amount. So now again, just go back over here. Okay, let's select the whole thing, paste my, okay, and once that's done, you can just do apes as well, and then just create a button, make it orange, just write a text. Text is here. So click here, something similar, or free keto diet, something like this. Once apply changes. Okay, so you get my point, right? So once you download this thing, then you can share on Facebook groups. You could upload this PDF on a Google Drive or something like this, create a landing page. You can collect emails. I'm giving you a lot of ideas. Post on these groups where you can tell them that this is a keto recipe, or how to make keto pancakes, and that in that PDF people will find you and then buy your products. So that's the first, I think, so that's the most easiest way. This is how you can make money. But then again, this is much more slow because you're not paying for ads. The second thing is you can pay for ads, which I am going to show you next time, because for now, trust me, I ran some ads. Now Facebook is getting much more strict on ads. Before it was much more lenient, so I have made my accounts banned. So again, this is what my fifth Facebook profile. So again, so I think so I'll just give you an idea of some of the ads I was running. So I was running for a keto diet. So as you could see, a lot of images, and then just big enticing captions. So click on the ads, but for now I'm not gonna share any tutorial about this, because right now I just want to focusing on Bing ads and Microsoft Google ads. So that's all about Facebook, how you can make money on Facebook. And also guys, I want to tell you something. Rather than we going on Clickbank, okay, or sorting by gravity, they're just handful of products and competition is a lot. Okay, imagine 400 people. So gravity means around 400 people are promoting this product, but it's more than that. Imagine 400-500 people are promoting this product. The competition is a lot. Okay, and these are all super affiliates which are promoting this product. So the second best thing is there are other affiliate marketplaces just like Clickbank. One of them is MaxWeb. Okay, again, a lot of products you can get on MaxWeb. Okay, and then again there is Digistore as well. Okay, so as you could see, even on Digistore I'm making a lot of sales as well passively. Okay, August I made 500, September yesterday I made $107. So again, it's all passive. So just try finding other marketplaces as well where the competition is less. And this is for the strategy for Facebook, organic strategy, and you can use ads as well. I think so that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off, and if you all have any questions, do let me know. Soon I would create a Facebook group for you all guys if you all have any questions, but not for now. Just give me some time focusing on other things, but soon I'll come up with a Facebook group. And I think so that's it for today. Yavar Khan signing off.